Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you some fun movements you can do to help keep your knees healthy and happy. The first one is we're going to do standing knee circles. And you may have seen this before in a book called Super Joints. It's a great book by Pavel Tsatsouline. And what you do is you can put your hands on your knees, kind of crouch in. You can make inner and outer circles with your knees. And these are great because we're trying to get motion around the whole surface of the knee. Well, if the knee were like that. So that's where the inner and outer circles come from, because we're trying to get as much of that surface area of the knee lubricated as we can. And so again, you can go in or out. You can also go knees close together. And you can make, the rule in super joints, I think, is to do one circle for every year you are old. And depending on how old you are, that might be a bit much, but the basic thing is to do it every day, or to do it often, which would be every day would be better. That's very often. The other thing you can do is you can just do standing. You can lock the joints, go around, lock, go around, lock, around, lock. And again, it's really the same thing, except now we're more upright, so the angle's a bit different, so a different way to do it. You can also go in and out. And you'll look, if you keep your heels down, you might notice there is a lot of ankle mobility that happens in these standing knee drills, which makes them also ankle drills too. This is a great way to keep your ankles healthy and happy also. Here's one I really like. You're gonna stand forward. It's kind of like you're lunging forward a little bit, and you're gonna do big, giant knee circles. And again, you can try to keep your foot flat on the ground, but look at all that motion in the ankle as well. And then again, you switch directions because you want to get both directions a shot because it's different and you don't want one way to get jealous of the other way. You also want to switch feet because you don't want one foot to be jealous of the other foot or knee to be jealous. So again, you make big lunging circles here. This is also great for those hip flexors. And then you switch directions. So we are working on healthy, happy knees and ankles and hips and bodies. It's weird. It's a package deal. You're a whole being, whole body. The other thing I like to do, of course, is rocking. Rocking is great because now we're really getting some flexion, more full flexion than we were getting when we were standing. In fact, when we were standing, we were never getting full flexion. We were getting partial flexion. And so we can go shoulder width or hip width apart on the rocking, or we can go close together, which is different and neat in and of its own self. And the other thing we can do is rock in circles here. So now we're trying to get all the surface area we can, and instead of just doing this too with the deep flexion, we are really trying to lubricate that joint. Anyway, these are simple things you can do every day. They feel good. They help keep your knees healthy and happy. As a consequence, they also help keep your ankles healthy and happy too. Even the rocking drills. I don't know if you noticed that, but so depending on where I put my feet, it hits my ankles in different ways, and it mobilizes the foot as well. Anyway, give those a shot. Give your knees some love, and your ankles some love too. All right, I'm sorry. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification.